Welcome to the ColorFlex L2 Quick Start Guide. Get your first accurate color measurement in 7 easy steps. Prepare to start using the ColorFlex L2 by unboxing. Open the shipping container, take out the ColorFlex L2 and the box containing the instrument standards. Remove foam and get them ready on the work surface. Find the slot to plug in the instrument at the back of the instrument and proceed with switching it on. Once the instrument switches on, follow the steps described on the screen to set language, date, and time. The ColorFlex L2 is ready to use straight out of the box with an integrated wizard for quick training. Follow the Quick Start wizard prompts on the screen to help you understand what to expect in the software. Open the standards box that came with the instrument and locate the tiles. Follow the prompts on the screen to standardize the instrument with black, white, and green tiles. This is a mandatory step to get accurate color data. Once you've finished the standardizing process, place the tiles back in the standards box, close and store it safely for future use. The ColorFlex L2 is now ready to take your first color measurement. Place the sample on top of the instrument and simply click the Action button on top or the Measure button on the screen to get your first LAB values. ColorFlex L2 facilitates accurate color measurement in seconds. As simple as you want, as powerful as you need. Schedule a demo at HunterLab.com.